Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Roblox gets stuck on the joining server screen even though you're not having any internet problems. This issue usually happens when something inside the game itself is preventing the place from loading properly, especially if your game loads fine in Studio but not in the actual Roblox client. So let's break down what causes it and how to fix it. When you join a game and the loading screen just sits on joining server, that usually means the server never finished running the code needed to start the game. In most cases, this happens because of a script that is running an infinite loop too fast, or a script that keeps waiting for something that never loads. This causes a server to freeze while the client just keeps waiting forever. Open your Roblox Studio project and check your scripts, especially server scripts. Look for while true do loops or repeat loops that don't have a wait in them. If there's no wait, the code runs nonstop at maximum speed and the server gets overloaded instantly. Just adding something like wait 0.1 inside the loop can fix a problem. Another common cause is a script waiting for an object that doesn't exist. For example, the script that says workspace wait for child thing, but thing is not in the workspace anymore. The script will just wait forever. Make sure every wait for child is actually pointing to something that exists during loading. Also check for modules that are requiring each other in a cycle. If module A requires module B and module B requires module A, both will freeze and never finish loading. If you see this kind of loop, break the dependency by reorganizing your code so one module doesn't need the other at startup. Once you fix the loops, remove the stuck wait for child calls or break module cycles, publish your game and try joining again. You should notice that the game loads instantly instead of hanging on the joining server screen. And that's how to fix Roblox being stuck on the joining server screen. It's almost always a script causing the server to freeze before the game even starts. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. And let me know in the comments if you want a video about how to optimize your Roblox game for lower ping and faster loading. I'll see you in the next one.